G'day everyone, how's going? So basically just want to do a quick video today, just a quick update of what's been going on. I've been a bit MIA. I think the last video I posted was 9 months ago. To be honest, I just want to tell you guys that, to be honest, I basically lost interest. I didn't really want to, and I know it sucks, but I did. I was focusing on family, spending time with the kids, working, doing other stuff, and I just completely lost everything about prospecting. But it was until a couple of days ago when I was looking through my channel and I was looking through all my videos, comments, and people are still subscribing, people are still watching, people are still enjoying what I had to offer. And it made me think, well, if people are doing that, why not keep doing it? Like, I obviously love doing it, love getting out and about in the fresh air, amongst all the crevices, in the water, everything. So why not keep doing it? So I'm going to tell you today, as soon as this virus crap is over, as soon as the restrictions are lifted, I'm going to get back out there, keep making videos for you guys, keep entertaining you guys as much as I can and as best as I can, and then we'll see where we go from there. But I just wanted a quick video for you guys just to apologise for being missing in action. It was tough, but I'm back. I know the world's going through this pandemic right now, but as soon as it's over, the videos are going to come back. We'll try and get a bit more variety, a few more new locations, and hopefully you guys will enjoy. So down in the comments, I want you to let me know what you have been up to, what you're doing during this isolation, if you're working, if you're essential, if not, if you're home, whatever. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Guys, one thing I forgot to say during this video is that I appreciate every single one of you for sticking around, continuing to watch my videos and liking, and yeah, I really do appreciate it. It just makes me realise how close the prospecting community is. And yeah, I just want to let you know I appreciate it. Thank you very much. And as the video said, I'm going to keep on going. Videos are going to be coming thick and fast. So, hey, I might even meet up with a few of you guys or more, and might even do some collabs with people.